The prep tools are your optional foundation. 16 dynamic options designed to neutralize environmental chaos or lock in a creative base before you touch a single localized adjustment. As we jump from scene to scene, you'll see how quickly you intuit which tool is right for the image. There are no rigid rules here. Your eyes will tell you exactly what works. You'll notice two distinct versions of each option, our Quick Prep Globals and our Raw Adaptive Preps. Both are built to handle the exact same lighting and color challenges or achieve specific stylistic results. For instance, on this overcast woodsy snap, tools like Blue Hour Fix and Greencast Savior work wonders. While they're clearly labeled for specific problems, these options are incredibly cross-functional. Whether you crave a dramatic golden transformation with Blue Hour Fix, a highly stylistic cinematic result, or desire a more authentic soft glamour or exposure lift, think of the prep kit like a flexible menu of creative foundations. When you are editing raw files on desktop, the Raw Adaptive Prep options use advanced slider-free profiles under the hood, optimizing tone and skin color while leaving your develop settings untouched. For compressed files like JPEG, PNG, TIFF, or mobile editing on iPhone, the Quick Prep Global options deliver a similar look. Because these are classic presets rather than AI profiles, they apply our expertly tuned settings directly via your global adjustment sliders. If you have the profiles installed and go to edit a compressed image, the Raw Adaptive options will be visible but won't change anything. If you don't have profiles installed, they won't show up at all. And because the Quick Prep options are global presets rather than profiles, they can even be stacked together or used in combo with an adaptive profile to achieve specific corrective or stylistic results. Quick, completely flexible, totally optional, amount slider compatible, and zero guesswork. Simply hover to find your base, tap to apply, and you're golden.